Weathering the storm and building resilience through adversity. What if I told you that the storms of this life aren't meant to break you, but to make you unbreakable? Welcome back to Moving Victory. My name is Joel, and today we're diving into the heart of resilience. It's the ability to not just survive life storms, but to thrive because of them. During my time in prison, I faced storms that seemed insurmountable, isolation, hopelessness, and the weight of my past trying to crush me every day. But through these trials and tribulations, I discovered a truth that will change everything. Resilience isn't about avoiding the storm, it's about learning to dance in the rain, baby. James chapter 1 verse 2-4 tells us, "Consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance. That perseverance finishes work so that you may be mature and complete, lacking in nothing." The scripture became my anchor. I realized that every challenge that I face, every setback, every moment of pain was opportunity for growth development. Resilience isn't born in comfort, it's forged in the adversity that we go through. Here are 3 key principles that I want you guys to take away with you today, and it's about resilience. 1, embrace the storm. Don't run from the challenges, you gotta face them head on. 2, you gotta find your purpose in that pain. Look for the lessons and growth opportunities in every trial. Instead of complaining about why is this happening, be like, okay, Lord, what is it you're trying to show me? 3, cultivate a support system. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and your ability to overcome. Remember, resilience is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger you become. Each time you face a challenge and push through, you're building your capacity to handle the next one. Remember, resilience isn't about being tough all the time. It's about bending without breaking, adapting to change, and bouncing back stronger than you have ever been. It's okay to feel the pain, to acknowledge the struggle. What matters most is that you keep moving forward. In the Moving Victory journey, resilience is key. It's what allows us to keep pushing when everything seems to be pushing back. It's what helps us see the light at the end of the tunnel, even when the darkness feels overwhelming. Today, I challenge you to reframe your perspective on the challenges you're facing. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? Ask, what is this teaching me? As I mentioned before, how can I grow from this? Remember, the storm may be fierce, but you are fiercer. You have within you the power to weather any storm, to emerge, not just intact, but stronger, wiser, and more resilient than ever before. This week, identify 1 challenge that you're facing and list 3 ways it can make you stronger. Share your insights and join us next time for Breaking Free, Overcoming Society's Labels. God bless you, and let's move in victory, people.